fresh on the scene. Back, got 'em fresh on the scene. Got 'em fresh on the scene. Back, got 'em fresh on the scene.
Back, got 'em fresh on the scene.
Back, got 'em fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We're heading to Still Plays with Cars, Carson Coffee. We're getting out of the house in, yes, the M3. From the lack of views on the last video, links above, you guys are just not fans or want to see anything to do with the Nissan Versa. I get it. I don't blame you guys, so you won't see that anymore. But we're in the M3. We're heading to Carson Coffee, and then we are actually going on a cruise shortly afterwards. We're gonna head out to Canmore. Beautiful drive out on the back roads, nice and windy, and should make for a really good day and a lot of fun. There's gonna be some pretty nice cars. Jason is coming with his F430. If you guys have watched the Royal Rally Unleashed video, links above, we spent the day cruising with him, so I think today is going to be just as fun. But let's head off and get the car washed first, and then we will head to the Carson Coffee. If you want to see more, keep watching, and let's go. Car's washed. We got Diego on the side of us, and Nick, Jas, Wally, Sumat. Let's head to Carson Coffee. We made it. Brigade all rolls up together. Jas has got a new 5 Series. Screaming. Wally in his M2. Sumat in his sweet wrapped 3 Series. Danny's all road, looking minty as usual. Super dope wheels. Man, those are nice. Mr. Murphy's Mini. You guys have seen that on the vlog before. Rob in the M3. You guys will probably remember that. You guys got to see Jay's new wheels. Swapped his wheels out this year. So sick. Talk about fitment. Supa and his new bricks and forged wheels, looking minty.
Like 3 times, and the whole time I was still just
so nice. Fitment. That is sick. There we go, Carson Coffee. Got to do some socializing with a lot of familiar faces. It was really a good time. We got the crew following us back there. Jason in the F430, Michelle and Mike in the Hellcat, Supa in the M4, Marcel in his Mercedes. Now we're off to go to the meeting point for the Momentum YYC cruise. I'm not even sure who's putting it on, but we will find out when we get there. So let's head off to the meeting point, and then we'll head out for the cruise to Canmore. I absolutely love driving this M3. It is such a pleasure to drive. Comfortable, so much power, gobs of power, and super enjoyable. What do you guys think? Gorgeous, gorgeous Aston. That's a pretty cool touch.
Let it out.
Don't want to step on that sucker. Pretty good turnout. Mike and Michelle's Hellcat. Should be a good day.
Maybe?
All right, let's go.
Back out fresh on the scene. 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 Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team. Franchise best on the team.
Franchise best on the team.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Well, we made it out to Ghost Lake. Super, super windy. F430. The slammed cord.
Why not?
Whoop whoop. We got the Aston, the R8. You guys will probably remember this from the Royal Rally. Wes in his Audi. Anton in his M3. Here's Ghost Lake. If you guys are never been out here before, it's like 30-minute drive from Calgary, and there's usually a lot of boats out here. It's pretty nice houses across the lake. But we're doing some photos, and then we'll get back on the road. Check out these views. Not gonna lie, that hump in this M3's hood is absolutely one of my favorite views. But also the mountains, all the green trees. Supa's M4. What a great day for a drive.
Okay, back out fresh on the scene. 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 Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene.
Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Franchise.
Well, it never fails. Calgary roads, Alberta roads, Rockchip, and the window is split. Frick. I am not having any luck with any freaking windshields. Well, no point of changing it now. I'll just run it for this summer and then we'll change it next season, because we got a few more rallies coming up, and dang it, I've never gone through so many windshields ever. Well, what a day, what a great cruise. It was nice to see some people this morning at Carson Coffee. It's good to see a lot of familiar faces, and the cruise was just incredible. Nicely paced. It was just nice to relax, sit back, and cruise with a whole bunch of really nice cars. We got a little casualty. Hopefully you can see that. Cracky. It is what it is. There's not much we can do about it. But when we do get this window replaced, I am going to make sure that I put the Clearplex on the window, because I don't want to be replacing windows every month, because it's ridiculous the amount of rocks and stones and everything else they put on the road. So, oh well, it is what it is. We'll get past it. We'll get it fixed. It's not the end of the world. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Smash that like button if you liked today's video. Drop a comment. Send some positive vibes my way. I like to hear all your guys' feedback and comments, and I read everything and I respond to everybody. So, like that, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.